Hello everyone, Christmas is around the corner. My favorite time of Christmas is the morning of, when we open presents and gather together for breakfast. So this breakfast is always very special. Today, I have a breakfast charcuterie idea. This is not only festive and easy to make for a crowd, but it can also be easy on the host and the guest, as it pulls everyone together for a good time, and with minimum effort. Here's a rectangular tray that I lined up with parchment paper. I've also lined the bowls with cling wrap for easier cleanup, as no one would want to be cleaning dishes during the special time. I started placing breakfast items on the tray, like muffins, croissants, bagels, etc. Then the bowls are filled with jam, cream cheese, and peanut butter. The jam, by the way, is homemade. If you want to see it, I have the link to the video below. Then I placed the fruits in between. And there is the tray. It already looks very festive, but there's more. In addition, I've made some hot breakfast items in this tray. I broke 6 eggs in a microwave-safe bowl and added 1/4 cup of milk, salt, and pepper. I microwaved it, and every minute I took it out and started stirring until it was fluffy and cooked. And I cooked some turkey sausage and turkey bacon from a packet and cooked it. And no breakfast is complete without avocado. I sliced 2 avocados and placed them on the tray. Salsa in the bowl in the center of the plate adds a punch to the protein. These 2 trays serve as a complete breakfast for your family, but you can add to it as well. You can have a beverage of your choice, like coffee, tea, or orange juice, and you can decorate the table with some Christmas decorations as well. So do you all think it was easy? What is your favorite time of the Christmas? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish all of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.